Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking basics. Update your Redmi 14C and make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. Once done, pick a DNS provider that supports DNS over TLS. This is the only built-in, system-wide option. Make sure you know the provider's hostname, not just an IP. Next, open Settings and move directly to Network and Internet. I'll walk you through entering that hostname so DNS runs securely at the system level, not per app. You now configure the hostname. Tap Network and Internet, select Private DNS, and choose Private DNS Provider Hostname. Once selected, type the exact hostname provided by your DNS service. Examples include 1.1.1.1 or DNS. Google. Make sure there are no spaces and that the hostname supports DNS over TLS. After saving, reconnect your Wi-Fi network or toggle airplane mode briefly to force negotiation. This ensures the system authenticates and establishes an encrypted DNS channel for all apps. Finish by verifying DNS. Open a browser and use a DNS test page or a diagnostic app to confirm queries are encrypted and resolving correctly. If pages fail, switch private DNS to automatic, then re-enter the provider hostname. This resets the protocol negotiation. If problems persist, restart your Redmi 14C or reset network settings as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. Some carriers or VPNs can override private DNS. Temporarily disable VPNs and carrier-specific DNS features to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.